In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 9th, subject maths. Exercise 4.1, question number 4 and 6. So let's see question number 4. But before starting this lecture, first of all, subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos with your friends, and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So let's see question number 4b part. Values are given here, x equals to 4, y equals to minus 2 and z equals to minus 1. Function is given here, x square, that is the square. So put the value, x square 4 whole square, y cube means minus 2 whole cube, minus 5 as it is, put the value of z, minus 1 whole power 4. Now x here 4, bracket means multiply, minus 2 and minus 1. So take the square of 4, 16. Take the cube of 8, minus 2. Minus 2, power is odd number, then negative sign will be negative. अगर पावर ऑड नंबर होगी, ऑड नंबर कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं जो 2 के टेबल में डिविजिबल नहीं होते. ठीक हो गया. सो इसका साइन माइनस ही रहेगा, माइनस 8. नाउ minus 1, its power is even number are that number which are divisible by 2, so minus becomes plus, so it becomes 1. Now 4 to the 8, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, it becomes plus 2. Now 16 multiplied by 8, 128 minus 5, so 8. Now minus minus plus per sign will be minus, minus 133. So you have to write answer in whole part. So you have to do the rough work here. Minus 133 divided by 8, 8 1 the 8. So 13 minus 8, 9 10 5 3. Now 8 7 the 56, 8 6 the 48. So you have to take carry here 4 and then 13. 13 minus 8, 5. So its answer is minus 16 whole 5 by 8. That is the answer. That is the quotient. Quotient you have to write here as a whole part, and remainder you have to write as a decimal part, 5 by 8. So that is the answer. So let's see question number 6. Perform the indicated operation and simplify. Let's see first part. So it is already in simplification form, so you have to start the solution. So let's see, x is the square of x square, 49 is the square of 7 square. Dot means multiply, so 5x plus 2 by x plus 7 written as it is. Now it is the separate square here, so you have to apply here formula of a square minus b square. One time plus, second time minus, so x minus 7 into x plus 7. Dot means multiply, so 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. It will be cancelled here. So its answer is x minus 7 into 5x plus 2. That is the answer. So let's see its third part. X raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 6. So first of all you have to break down, because you have know the formula of x raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 6. Just you having two formulas, for square and for cube. So first of all you have to convert in factors. So 6, its factors are 2 whole power 3 minus y raised to power 2 whole power 3. Now x raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 2 written as it is. Its denominator consider equals to 1. So when you will change division into multiplication, then you can take reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, like this. X raised to power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised to power 4. Now you have to apply here cubes formula. Let's see cube formula here. That is the separate cube. So let's see. you have to apply here second formula. A cube minus B cube equals to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So apply this. You can write here x square minus y square into x square whole square plus x square y square plus y square whole square. Close the bracket. Now you can write here x square minus y square. This will be cancelled. Here no space, so you can write here. अब इसको नीचे लिख लेते हैं, वहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है. 4 plus x square y square plus y raised to power 4. So you can write here x raised to power 4 minus x square, sorry plus, that is the sign of plus, y square plus y raised to power 4 multiply by 1 by x raised to power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised to power 4. This value will be cancelled here. So its answer is 1. That is the answer. Now we'll start its fifth part. So these parts are included in Smart Syllabus. So first of all, you have to observe that what you have to do in this question. So x square plus xy, you can't apply here formula, so it means you can take here common. So let's see, x taking as a common, then inside x plus y is left. So y into x plus y written as it is. So let's see, x plus y cancel with x plus y. Dot means multiply. So here you can't apply here formula again. It means you can take again here common. So x taking as a common, then inside x plus y is left. So y into x plus y written as it is. Now let's see, x plus y cancel with x plus y. Now division sign written as it is. Now here you can't apply here formula also. So x square means x written here 2 times. So you have to take x as a common here. Inside 1x is left and 1. Now in denominator, so you have to take here y as a common, then inside x minus 2 is left. Now write the remaining terms, x multiply by x, y multiply by y. Okay, now you will change division into multiplication. When you will change division into multiplication, then you have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So y into x minus 2 becomes numerator and x into x minus 1 becomes denominator. So y cancel with y, x cancel with x. Now write the answer here. X into x minus 2 divided by y into x minus 1. ये मज़ीद सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो सकता, so that is the answer. I hope so you have understand question number 4 and question number 6 of exercise 4.1 class 9th subject maths. So students, take care of yourself and focus on your studies. Papers are coming too near and do preparation. Best of luck. So Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself. And also give comments.